Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, look, I'm going to do this Honor 8X. It's got the full screen like an iPhone X, but it's a hell of a lot cheaper. So they come in different colours. I've got the blue, and this is a lot cheaper. This is £229 currently in the UK, compared to the iPhone of $999. Now, as you can see, it's made of glass on the back, which is really nice quality and glossy looking. It feels a little bit of weight in the hand, so it feels solid. It's good for the money. It's really good. A couple of little cameras on the back here. Comes with a fingerprint scanner at the back, which you can use to unlock the phone. That works really well. So let's have a look at the box contents.
SIM card with pin, manuals, a free cover to protect your phone. You know, why don't Samsung do that? Then you've got your charger. It looks a bit basic, but it's, you know, does the job hopefully. And then the USB cable.
Okay, let's look at the specs here. It's got a great battery, just like the S8 Plus. The S8 has actually got a less of a battery than this. It's got a pretty cool 20 megapixel camera. But look at this, 4 gig of RAM and 64 ROM. This is big. And the screen, 6.5 inches. That is bigger than the Samsung S8 Plus. Comparing them side by side, they look very similar. Yet there is 0.2 of an inch slightly bigger with the Honor 8X, and it looks like the iPhone with a full screen edge-to-edge display, which seems to be the current trend with large smartphones.
Now I've just pressed the button and I've switched it on. Right, let's take this cover off. So you've got the full edge-to-edge, like the Apple. And a couple of other phones using this now. So you obviously got to log in the phone with your Google and everything. So I'll skip this bit and go into the phone. About a month now, and I'm going to do the pros and cons. So basically, I've just used the fingerprint thing to open it, which is really quick. It has games that have come installed with it. So for games guys, that's really, you know, a popular thing there. Yeah, Huawei comes with its own operating system on top of the Android Oreo. It's got its care, the app gallery, you've got the phone manager. All of these are generally on its own, and you've got, you can see next to the notepad up there, you've got an Honor registration and access to those bits and pieces. The health, which connects to the Honor, they've also got a smartwatch. So go into settings. And then down to system, and then about phone, wrong one, that's an update. So yeah, you go the EMUI, its own app gallery. Some phones come with this, so this is a few choices there. So if you've got any questions about this phone, then just leave comments below. If you've got this phone, tell me what you think. If you've nearly got it and got something else, leave a comment below. So thanks for watching, guys.